Welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want us to answer the two questions that we have here on the board. So we have solution. We have 6 open brackets x minus 2 close the bracket plus x is equal to 2. So the first thing we are going to do here is to use the number outside to multiply the ones we have, all the expressions we have in the bracket. So the first one we have is 6 times x. 6 times x gives us what? 6x. So the next one is 6 times minus 2, which is equal to, we write our minus here. Since here is minus, we write a minus. 6 times 2 is what? Is 12. So this now gives us 6x minus 12 plus x equals to 2. So what is the next step here? The next step here is for us to collect like terms. In collecting like terms, this will now be 6x. Since this one has not crossed the equality sign, the sign remains the same, plus x is equals to 2. This one now crosses the equality sign to this one. So minus 12, when crosses the equality sign, now becomes plus 12. So 6x plus 6 plus x give us what? 7x equals what? 14. So at this point, what are we supposed to do to get the answer? We divide both sides by the coefficients of x, which is 7. So this is 7x equals to 14. Divide both sides by the coefficients of x, which is 7. 7 goes to itself, 7 goes here, 2. So x is equals to 2. Now looking at the second questions we have here, number 2, 5p minus 5 equals to 4p plus 5. So who can tell me what are we supposed to do first in this place? The first thing here is for us to collect what? Collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, this will now be 5p. This 4p will now cross. This is positive. Will now cross the equality sign to this side. The left hand side now becomes 4p is equals to, this one remains here, 5. 5 minus 5 crosses the equality sign. What are we going to have? When minus crosses the equality sign, now becomes 5 plus 5p. So minus 5 minus 4p. 5p minus 4p is equals to what? P. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So p is equals to 10. So thank you very much for joining the class. See you in the next class. Goodbye for now.